Below the surface of the Earth, there is a lot of heat stored up all the way down to the Earth's core. We can tap into some of this energy with a geothermal power plant. A geothermal power plant uses heat from below the Earth's surface to create electricity. While geothermal power does not create many emissions, it is not practical to build a geothermal power plant just anywhere. Geothermal power plants are built where below the surface there is naturally a lot of geothermal heat. Also, geothermal power plants need to be built in certain places where there can be a reservoir of water under the ground to extract steam from to create electricity. When there's a reservoir of hot water underground, this water can be brought to the surface and steam can be separated from the hot water. The steam can then be used to run a steam turbine and create electricity. The reason why the reservoir does not turn into steam underground is because of all the pressure from the tons of rock above it. Sometimes, however, the water is not quite hot enough to run a steam turbine. In this case, the hot water can be piped through a different fluid, and that different fluid can boil and run a turbine. These types of geothermal power plants can take advantage of lower temperatures because they don't have to be hot enough to create high steam pressure. Compared to other renewable sources of energy such as wind and solar, geothermal energy can be more predictable. Solar panels only produce power when the sun is shining, and wind turbines only produce power when the wind is blowing. However, geothermal power plants can continuously run off heat from the earth. While the emissions from geothermal power plants are much less than those from fossil fuel plants such as coal plants or natural gas plants, some gases, including carbon dioxide, can be released when drilling into the earth.